Hello everyone, this is The Prodigy and we're coming to you today on May 29th, 2018. And I want to just say to everyone out there, I hope everyone had a very blessed Memorial's Day. Out here in Florida, it was crazy on Memorial's Day. We actually had nothing but rain, so everyone out here in Florida trying to grill, I feel your pain yesterday. I really do. Most of y'all were probably just like me, grilled half the food and had to run and go to a restaurant and enjoy the rest of the day. But anyhow, guys, I'm just gonna go through the payments from today. Just so far, I've made $750. Johnny Richards, Ted Burnell, Jimmy Dales. They're all my new advanced members. These two actually came in earlier this morning, and they've already actually earned back what they invested. They've already probably made about 300 and something each. Johnny's already made 100 and something in the last few hours. Guys, the potential of this program is crazy, especially in my advanced level. Like a lot of you don't know, in my advanced level, we're doing things like no other company is doing. We're making sure you are seeing results. We are guaranteeing results. In as little as 24 hours, we're going to guarantee your first sale if you work with us, guys. If you join our advanced level, in as little as 24 hours, we're going to guarantee that first sale. So, guys, I want you to be on board. I don't want you to miss this. This opportunity is going back up to be the fully priced at $350 or more. Right now, you can get it at $250. And if you contact me today, and mention YouTube and use our new beta merchant account, you can actually get it at $200. Guys, I'm not playing games when it comes to changing lives. God has given me ways to bless others. With the man above, I'm able to share my gifts that he has given me. With the man above, I'm able to bring in new prospects and be able to live my life financially free. You know, that's the biggest thing for me, is freedom. The biggest thing for me is freedom. I want you to hear that again. The biggest thing for me is freedom. I've had the success. I've had the money. Freedom is what I love, and being able to help others succeed and get to that same type of freedom that I have been able to get to. Now, I've been marketing for many years. I've been trying marketing and building websites since 12, 13 years old. A lot of people don't know that. I always mention only when I made my first potential income to become successful at 17, you know, making my first 100 grand, being able to leave McDonald's. That was a blessing. But believe it or not, struggling, coming from nothing, eating out of garbage cans, no lights half the time, no water, no electricity, no cable, no internet, using an old phone that was able to log onto an internet at McDonald's Wi-Fi's, is how I was able to become successful. God gave me these gifts to share with the world. Now, guys, open your arms and take them in. I'm not going to be here forever, and there's not going to be much people out here forever showing you how to do this. Why? Because this is the new world. When people learn these secrets, they taking them and running with them because they want to be successful, and only they want to be successful. The difference between me is I'm a man of God. I want to show you how to be successful and share the gifts that was given to me. I want to make sure you're able to wake up in the morning and see these type of income results where you're not stressing about money, where you're not stressing about life. Guys, this makes me emotional because this weekend I've had a lot of people contact me, and they're living in the streets. They haven't been able to eat. I've sent out over $50,000 worth of food this weekend, and vouchers for people to have places to sleep, families to have food for Memorial's Day. Guys, I do my part. Now it's time for you to do your part. It's time for you to invest in yourself. And if you don't trust in me, I don't know what to tell you, because guys, I show you the results. I'm here to answer the phone call. My challenge to you is text or call me at 239-362-6591. My website is godslifequotes.com. And like I said, guys, if you don't trust me, then trust the man above. Take faith into your life and ask God, is this the program you should join? Ask God, is this the way you should go? Because God's not going to guide you in the wrong direction. God is here to help you succeed. But before I let you go, guys, I want to go ahead and do a moment of prayer with you. Everyone bow their head. God, I want to thank you for the success that you've been giving me to be able to give others. For newcomers that are looking to join something, that are looking to change their life, that are looking to rip the devil from upon their financial stabilities, and the reason why they're on the that ground floor is because the devil is holding them down. God, we want you to ask. We're asking and begging you now to destroy those demons, to destroy those devils, and to put your hand upon us and help us succeed. Help me help others succeed. God, guide them in the light, guide them in they're in the correct direction, and let them all succeed. God, take the world by their hands and bring the freedom down and let it rain upon the world. Amen. Guys, I don't know what you felt from that prayer, but I felt God grab my body and lift my spirit above me, and He showed me the world right now. He showed me, guys, that everyone out there has a potential to succeed. Everyone out there has a potential to live a different life. Now, guys, I'll be waiting for that phone call. I'll be waiting to hear from you, because success is only a click away. Everyone out there, I'm logging out my PayPal to show you I'm the real deal. And if you want me, I could log back in. Anyways, guys, everyone out there, you have a blessed day. Until my next video, this is the Prodigy saying, God bless and may God be in your hearts.